Hi, I'm Sean Michael Reagan, and you're watching Cool Tools. If you've ever done any soldering, you probably recognize this classic helping hands tool. It's got two little adjustable arms with spring clips at their ends, which can be used to hold a pair of leads together more or less securely during soldering, leaving your hands free to put the heat and the solder where they need to go. And these things work well enough for that purpose. But they're fiddly to use, not super stable, and generally don't play well with other work-holding tools in more complicated setups. QuadHands is a US company based in South Carolina that takes a different approach to solving this problem. Instead of jointed arms, their system uses flex shafts with supermagnetic bases that can be repositioned anywhere on a powder-coated steel base plate. Thumb nuts at the tips allow you to turn the clamps to whatever angle you want, then lock them in place, and the magnetic bases make the arms potentially useful in lots of other work-holding situations. They sell a whole ecosystem of these products, ranging in price from $15 to $55 as of production. But I chose this one because it's designed to mount the base of a 3-hole mini vise in the middle of the plate. They had the PanaVise system in mind when they designed it, especially the Model 300 and 305 bases, but in fact any 3-hole mini vise with a chord length between 2 5/8 inch and 3 3/4 inch, like this Dremel 220076D vise, will work. I've only been using this system for about 2 weeks now, but it has already transformed not just my soldering work, but also the way I use my mini vise, because the steel base plate is big enough and heavy enough, and the feet underneath are wide enough apart that I've been able to permanently demount the vise from my bench top and can now move it around freely to use in other locations. It's also really handy to have that corner of the bench free for other purposes when I need the space. Okay, thank you for watching. As always, you'll find affiliate links down below the video. If you've seen anything here you like, please do check those out, as well as our blog and our podcast over at cool-tools.org. We'll see you next time.